Welcome to Homework Lib.
We want to find essentially this distance here, which I'll call x. This refers to right triangle trig. You should be using the phrase SOHCAHTOA to help you organize your thoughts here. From this angle's perspective, we know the opposite, and we want to find out the hypotenuse. So O and H, that would be the sine. The sine of the angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. But we want to know what would be from A to C, as I'm calling x. We need to solve for this. So you cross multiply. It'd be x times the sine of 68 equals 14. And so that would be 14 over the sine of 68 would represent the distance. 14 over the sine of 68. But cosecant is equal to 1 over the sine. So this is the same thing as 14 times the cosecant of 68 degrees. So it should be your second choice.